Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Richard. Here is your next Christmas present. So it's currently the end of, it's the beginning of October 2024. So you might want to consider this C6Pro screen emulator for your mobile phone to go on your bike. Now this particular screen emulator has a camera front and rear. There's a front one down on the front of the bike and a rear one on the mudguard at the rear of this Triumph T120, and I'll quickly show you through what this screen can do. On top of that, it's got tyre pressure sensors on the valves of the bike, and we'll have a quick look at that right now. So if I turn that, using Bluetooth, the tyre pressure sensors on the wheels, front and rear, are connecting to this machine, to this screen, and showing you the tyre pressure the tyre pressures currently. So they're set right for this Triumph T120. It's also got a compass on here as well, and it'll also show kilometers per hour. I have not figured out how to turn that to miles per hour as yet, but whatever. Hopefully you can see the screen okay. So the beauty about that is, if we go here and I go to settings and pressure, I can also set a low or a maximum alarm, which then on the screen will show a warning to say one of your tyres is over pressure or under pressure or whatever. So then you can get off the bike and sort it out. On the understanding that most people who complain about their bike's handling, generally speaking, it's due to their tyre pressures. Yeah? Always make sure that your tyre pressures are right. So let's go back. There's various settings on this system that you can go through: remote key, language, time settings, all that good stuff. And there is a screen there to format your SD card, which is recording the two cameras on this machine. Let's have a quick look at the cameras as well. So if we go back to settings, home, and then go to driving record, you can see this is the shot out of the rear camera pointing to my garage. But I can go here and see the recordings that have been made. So if I go to front and play it, that's what's been recording on this system. And this is now set to a loop of 5 minutes. So it records 5 minutes and then records another 5 minutes and another 5 minutes on front and on rear. This was the rear one. Yeah. And therefore, if you have an issue or an accident or whatever, you can always revert back to the SD card, which you put inside this particular screen just here, and it will then record all the information for you. Yeah, let's go back. So the cameras are 1080p, which is near HD, and you can see it's actually recording now. Yeah, as it counts up. Let's go home. This is connected to my mobile phone, which is an Apple phone. You've got the maps. Let's have a look. So you can navigate to wherever you are. Proceed to route. Start. And that's now telling me where to go. I can play my music and control it. So what we've got is control of your iPhone. So your iPhone or your Android phone can go into your pocket and won't be stolen off the quad lock that's on your motorbike. So one of the problems is the quad locks are great, but when you're parked up at the traffic lights, my fear is that someone's just going to grab hold of the phone and rip it off, which is easily done, to be fair. So I don't like having my phone on here. What I prefer to do is have my phone in my pocket connecting to one of these screens. So this is the C6 Pro. I've previously shown you the one for the Carplay, which is very, very similar, but the Carplay doesn't have the two cameras, nor does it have the tyre pressure monitoring system. So this is a new one, the C6 Pro. And from the link in the description, you can get this as a Christmas present for £130 or thereabouts. Yeah, so it's a real reasonable deal. It's easy to wire up. There is a yellow cable which is taken from your fuse box to get the ignition on power rather than constant power. So as I turn this off, there we are, it shuts down now, so it doesn't waste any battery. It's got tiny milliamp drive, so don't worry about your battery. It's just driving a little screen and a couple of tiny little cameras. It's absolutely nothing. So if I turn it on now, let's count up the seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. 12 seconds and it's booted up and it's ready to go. So you can navigate with it using Google Maps or Waze or iPhone Maps or whatever it is. You can play your music through it into your headphones, into your helmet. It records front and rear. It records, and it's telling you your tyre pressures, so that you can make sure that your tyres are at the right pressure all the time. And it warns you if your tyre pressures go down. So this has got to be a really good deal for £130. It's very, very easy to fit. It's designed to stay on the bike. The connectors that connect to the handlebar are not designed to be undone with a big swing nut and then removed. It's designed to stay on the bike for good. It's a great little product. I really think you should really consider this at the price of £130. When the kids ask you what you want for your Christmas present and you always say, oh, I don't know anything, then maybe you want to order one of these via the link in the description. Don't forget to apply the voucher code as you order it, and you'll get the discount from me. And of course, I will get a little bonus as an affiliate for this product. So I'm being open and transparent on that. I think it's a great product, and for £130 for a Christmas present, it's a real giveaway. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Have you got a C6 Pro? What do you think to it? Are you wanting one, and are you wanting more questions and answers? Then put them down in the comments below. I think it's a really good piece of equipment, and for the price, it really is competitive on the market. 130 quid, you can't go wrong. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it meant something to you. Feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like if it meant something to you. And I will see you very soon. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.